Welcome back to my channel. I have another Empties video for you. There's quite a bit here, so let's get on started. There's a bunch of wipes. I always repurchase the Parents' Choice, especially in the fresh scent. I love these. These are nice. I usually buy the 3-pack. The Huggy ones were good as well. The Fisher Price ones I found at DollarTree, 72 count. These were not bad, but they are super thin and they're smaller than the others. I found these at DollarTree too, and these were perfect for when Connor was sick. They're stuffy nose wipes, and there's 25 in here. They have vitamin E, so their nose don't get raw and stuff, and these were great. I would definitely repeat purchase these. I think this is probably our second or third package, but I couldn't find them the last couple times I was there. These little tissues, I just wanted to point out, these are great for your purse and your pocket and your backpacks. And I love them, and I just wanted to share that again, that they come to like a 6 to an 8 pack at DollarTree. A 3-pack depending on what brand you buy. And they are great though. Love them. I have an empty box of the Assured Safety Swabs. I still like using these for Connor's ears. These are great. You just make sure that they don't stick the Q-tip in too far. And yeah. 55 for $1.25, still is a good deal. Assured brand cotton swabs, 300 count, definitely still a great deal for $1.25. Have many uses, so I love these. Hand sanitizers, the coconut and lime, I love these for my purse. They're 3 fluid ounces, and I already have a holder for one of these, so I really love that Dollar Tree started selling these individually. This is also from Dollar Tree. It's just hand sanitizer. They do what they're supposed to. I can't hate on them. And the Soft Soap Sunsplash Lemon. Wish I could find this scent again. I loved it. If you love lemon for your kitchen, you would have loved this too. It was a summer scent. Fresh Watermelon and Lemonade, Bath & Body Works, a gentle foaming hand soap. This was amazing, of course. Smelled amazing. Very gentle on the hands, like it suggests. It's awesome. I also have an Empty Swab Kids Detangler Spray in the Silly Apple. We love this one. I hate that the price went up to $5 though. So that kind of, but still love this stuff. Connor has very curly hair, just natural curly hair like mine, and he has lots of tangles sometimes, and this helps tame his hair in the morning. The Suaves Vanilla Blossom and Almond 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. I love the scent of this. I love that it was in a family size. I love that it's under $2, or was at least anyways. I'm not sure what the price of that is now, but I like to wash my hair once a week with the shampoo. However, it was left this really greasy feeling in my hair, like the conditioner in it. Even though I use Suave conditioner all the time, VO5 conditioner all the time. But this pairing right here, I don't know what it was about this, but it just didn't do good for my hair. And I had to wash my hair a couple times a week. And I like once a week, like I said. I am pretty set on that schedule. Yeah, I didn't really like it. I won't purchase it again. Maybe in a different scent. I don't know. I mean, I like their 2-in-1 Plus, I think it's called. And it's in like a silver packaging or gray packaging. But this, I didn't like this. The VO5 Key Lime Squeeze Conditioner. I use this for shaving, kind of like a dry shave. And I mention this all the time. I love using conditioner to shave with. It's the closest, most smoothest, moisturizing, hydrating kind of shave you'll ever have. Stand by this through and through. Love it for shaving. Moving on to body wash kind of stuff. The Suave Kids SpongeBob SquarePants 2-in-1 shampoo and body wash in Jellyfish Splash. This stuff smells so amazing. It's 28 fluid ounces. It comes in a pump bottle. I love this for Connor. Connor loves this. It's fun. It's $6. It lasts a long time. We don't use it for bubble baths or anything like that. No, it says shampoo. We don't use it for shampoo either. Just the body wash. It's a tear-free formula as well. Just smells amazing. The Axe Phoenix. This is a body wash, and this is my husband's favorite scent. Is the Phoenix. I like the Phoenix and I like Dark Temptation. Those are my 2 favorites, but he really loves Phoenix. So if you ever see Axe products, they're usually always in Phoenix. The Dove Renewing Peony and Rose Oil Nourishing Body Wash. The 34 fluid ounce one. It comes in a pump bottle. This stuff was amazing. Super hydrating, super moisturizing on the skin. Super moisturizing, okay? The scent was a little loud, so I may not get the scent again. Maybe try a different one out. But overall, this was fantastic. Totally worth the price. My favorite though is the Bodycology Watermelon Splash, the 2-in-1 body wash and bubble bath. I usually never use this for bubble bath, but super moisturizing, creamy, very super lathering, 16 fluid ounces, comparable to Bath and Body Works, and it's only $3.97 at Walmart. They have lots of fun limited edition scents. This is one of the limited edition ones. Currently I'm using through the Cucumber Melon one, and it smells fantastic. It's such a good body wash. And you compare lotions, the body sprays with these, and the body wash. $12 will buy you all 3 of those. The body wash, the lotion, and the body mist. So definitely recommend Bodycology. I always love their packaging too, how it's clear and you got the cute little pictures. Very vibrant color. Love it. Okay, last and final item. Let me move over here. Last and final item I have is a Bath and Body Works Fine Fragrance Mist and the Vanilla Bean Noel. This is one of my all-time favorite Bath and Body Works scents, and it smells amazing. I love everything about this spray. It took me a long time to use this. I also picked this up at a yard sale for only $1, but it took me a while to use this because it is my favorite scent and I just didn't want it to end. But once it got about, I don't know, probably around here, I was like, it's time. It's time. So, yeah, I have tons of other Bath and Body Works stuff, so I'll just, you know. And it says Holiday Traditions. I totally agree. Like, this is definitely one of those holiday scents I will always go back to. I just love this one so much. Highly recommend Vanilla Bean Noel, especially if you love vanilla scents. So that is my empties. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found the mini reviews helpful. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links. And stay tuned for more videos like these.